y'all, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. This is your very first time here. Please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig review. Okay, your girl found the perfect holiday wig this season. So we're gonna dive in. I have some upcoming amazing content for you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. I have my Puerto Rico vlog coming out. If you have not seen my highlights on my Instagram page, make sure y'all go check it out. And we're gonna dive into this wig, okay? So this unit was sent to me by Luvme here, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. This is their Effortlessly Chic pre-layered cut brown highlight glueless minimalist HD lace shoulder length wig in 16 inches. And this unit costs $155 on their website. I do feel like I'm like having a love-hate relationship with this unit right now because it's definitely a gorgeous unit, but I feel like I don't know. I think for me personally, I like more wigs that are my natural hair texture. And because I know this isn't how my natural hair texture is, I think I'm getting thrown off by this wig. But it's definitely a gorgeous wig, a gorgeous color. I think the layers are a lot. Yeah, I think there's a lot of layers in here. So, and I want to shape it a little more to my face. So, but this unit has three combs, an elastic band, adjustable straps back there as well for a secure fit. I will say it's more on the medium side because this unit fits perfectly on my head size. It's like the perfect fit. And yeah, this is a pretty color, y'all. I think this unit would be perfect with some like curl rods. Like once the curl rods are set in place and you take them out, I think this unit would be perfect for that. And like I said, some curling rods would be perfect. because You don't have to do anything. But there we go. I'm looking like me again. Okay. It's cute, right? It's giving, it's giving. So let's get into some facts about this wig. It's 150% density. It is glueless. It's for the medium spectrum for your head, and it's 100% human hair. The color is brown highlight. It has a left C part. It's a minimalist lace, meaning like no baby hairs and stuff like that. HD lace. Can it be dyed? Yes, but bleaching is not recommended, and it lasts for 1 year or more with proper care. And this unit has a lot of great reviews on their page, so make sure you guys check it out. So just remember to always cater the wigs to your face frame, or to your liking, to make you feel more comfortable. Wigs are here to enhance your looks and give you a different type of style. That's why I love Luvme hair, because I can always switch it up. I'm still me, but sometimes I might want a different look. But overall, this unit is really, really pretty. I have the link in the description box below. Make sure you guys check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching. And I will see you guys next time.